Everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, we'll talk about some key levels for today market and we will check all the data of Nifty and Nifty 50 that in which level the market can reverse or the market can go uptrend or downtrend. So let's start this video. The First of all, we talk about Nifty 50. As of the pivot points, the first resistance level, we will see that 24,575 point, or second one is 24,637, another one is 24,736. And if we talk about the levels for Bank Nifty, then if we talk about the resistance level as per the pivot point, then first one is 52,653, another is 52,800, and the last one is 53,038. Now the support level based on pivot points are 52,177, another one is 52,030, and the last one is 51,791. If we talk about the resistance based on Fibonacci retracement, then 53,235, and second one is 54,257. And if we talk about the support level based on the Fibonacci retracement, then 51,637, and another one is 50,583. Now if we talk about at the Nifty, then the Bank Nifty formed a doji candlestick pattern for another season, indicating indecision among bulls and bears about the future market trend. There was a bearish candlestick pattern with a lower high, lower low formation on the weekly charts. The index gained 8.3% on Friday trading session but lost 0.7% for the week. If we talk about the Nifty call options data, then the weekly options data till the maximum open interest was seen at 25,000 strike price with 68.86 lakh contracts. This level can act as a key resistance level for the Nifty in the short term. It was followed by the 25,500 strike with 41.68 lakh contracts and the 24,500 strike with 38.48 lakh contracts. The maximum call writing was observed at the 25,500 strike, which saw an addition of 24,000 at the level of 25,500. The contracts, we can see that 24,000 and 24.32 lakh contracts, followed by the 24,900 and 25,000 strikes, which added 23.7 lakh and 21.26 lakh contracts respectively. The maximum call unwinding was seen at the 24,200 strike, which said 7.28 lakh contracts, followed by the 24,300 and 24,400 strikes, which said 5.51 lakh and 3.7 lakh contracts respectively. If we talk about the Nifty put options data, then on the put side, the 24,000 level holds the maximum open interest with 52.36 lakh contracts, which can act as a key support level for the Nifty. It was followed by the 24,400 level with 50.35 lakh contracts and the 24,300 strikes with 44.87 lakh contracts. The maximum put writing was visible at the 24,400 strike, which saw an addition of 33.84 lakh contracts, followed by the 24,500 and 24,000 strikes with 27.48 lakhs and 17.68 lakh contracts added. Put unwinding was observed at the 23,200 strike, which said 63,927 contracts. If you talk about the Bank Nifty call options data, then in the weekly options data, the maximum call open interest was seen at the 54,000 strike, with 24 lakh contracts. Then this can act as a key resistance level for Bank Nifty in the short term. It was followed by the 53,000 strike with 22.44 lakh contracts and the 52,500 strike with 21.81 lakh contracts accordingly. Maximum call writing was visible at the 52,700 strike with the addition of 7.7 lakh contracts, followed by the 53,000 strike with 6.9 lakh contracts and the 52,600 strike with 6.24 lakh contracts, while the call unwinding was seen at 52,000 strike, which said 1.5 lakh contracts, followed by 51,900 and 51,800, which said 1.29 lakh and 80,295 contracts respectively. If we talk about the Bank Nifty put option starter, then on the put side, the level 52,000 and strike holds the maximum open interest with 18.3 lakh contracts, which can act as a key support level for the index, which was followed by the 51,000 strike. It have 16.54 lakh contracts and the 51,500 strike with 13.11 lakh contracts. The maximum put writing unwinding was observed at the 52,500 strike, which added 3.62 lakh contracts, followed by the 51,000 strike 2.72 lakh contracts and the 51,500 strike with 2.27 lakh contracts, while the put unwinding was seen at the 52,100 strike, which said 51,350 contracts, followed by the 51,400 strike with 24,300 contracts and 51,300 strike with 16,020 contracts. If we talk about the fund flow, then in fund flow, if we talk about the Friday trading session, then index futures have 1414 crores, stock futures have 6539 crores, index options are negative marketing of 5431 and stock options have 68 crores decline. Now if we talk about the put call ratio, then the put call ratio is basically indicating the market mood and declined to 1.28 on July 12 from 1.29 levels in the previous session. So it not changes. The increasing PCR or being higher than 0.7% or surpassing 1 means the market traders are selling more puts options than call options, which generally indicating the farming of a bullish sentiment in the market. If the ratio of falls below 0.7 or moves towards 0.5, then it indicates selling in calls is higher than selling in puts, reflecting a bearish mood in the market. If we talk about the Indian VIX, then the volatility declines for another session and could not sustain above the 14 mark for long term. During the trend favorable for bulls, the India VIX, the fear girl, dropped 1.93% to 13.73 for from the 14 levels on Friday, but gained 8.11% for the week. Now we will talk about some stocks who long build up in the previous trading session. A long build up was seen in 31 stocks. An increase in open interest and price indicates a build up of long positions. That stocks are Atul, LTIS, India Mart, Manapuram, Dal Bharat, Sajans, and some others are Emphasis, Kolpal, Persistent, Dr. Reddy. Now, if we talk about long unwindings, then Glenmark, Gale, Rected, MGL, MFSL, Kotak Bank, Canfin Home. Now, if we talk about short build-ups, then ABB, Asian Paint, Siemens, Divis Lab, Gujarat Gas, MRF, Astral Idea. Now, if we talk about the short covering stocks, then BS Soft, Petronet, Voltas, Federal Bank, Godrej Cap, AU Bank. Now, high delivery traders are Sun TV, Levata Lab, PIIND, ABBOTINDIA, Balkrishna India, Lal Path Lab, Cumin Sind, Marico, ABFRL. Now stocks under FNO band today are Aditya Villa Fashion and Retail, Balrampur Chini Mills, Bandhan Bank, Chambal Fertilizers and Chemicals, GNFC, Indian Energy Exchange, India Cements, Indus Towers, Piramal Enterprises, RBL Bank. Removed from FNO ban are nil. No one is removed from the ban list. So these are for today and thank you.